Okay, here our goal is to solve this linear equation. Notice that we have 3x over 5 minus 1 over 4 is equal to 3x over 10. We have 5, 4, and 10, and these are the denominators of each of our fractions. But we don't want to have our denominators. We want it to eliminate these denominators, and this would help us in solving this linear equation. So what we're going to do in order to eliminate these denominators, we're going to first find the lowest common multiple, or the LCM, of the denominators, which is 5, 4, and 10. So what is the LCM of 5, 4, and 10? Well, let's list the multiples of 4. We have 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, and the list goes on. For 5, we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and the list goes on. And for 10, the multiples of 10 are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and the list goes on. And so what we have here, the lowest common multiple of 4, 5, and 10 is definitely 20. Again, the lowest common multiple of 4, 5, and 10 is definitely 20. And so that means we're going to take 20 and we're going to multiply 20 by each term, right? We're going to multiply 20 by each term in this equation. Next, we say, okay, well, how many times does 5 goes into itself? Well, 5 goes into itself once, and 5 goes into 20 4 times. Next, we say, okay, how many times does 4 goes in itself? Well, 4 goes in itself 1 time, and 4 goes into 20 5 times. And then we say, okay, how many times does 10 goes in itself? Well, 10 goes in itself once, but 10 goes into 20 twice. And so what do we have? Well, we have 4 times 3x, all right, 4 times 3x. We have 5 times 1, which is here. And then we have 2 times 3x. And so this is 2 times 3x. And so great, this is good because we have eliminated our denominators and we just have a linear equation without any denominators, and that will be definitely better than having the denominators. And so we have 4 times 3x, which is 12x. We have 5 times 1, which is 5. We bring down the negative sign. We have 2 times 3x, which is 6x. And so what we have now, we have 12x minus 5x is equal to 6x. Next, we take this negative 5 and we send it over the equal sign. And so what do we have? We have negative 5 sent over the equal sign, so that becomes a positive 5 instead of a negative 5. We have 6x. We send that over the equal sign. That becomes negative 6x. So we have 12x minus 6x is equal to positive 5. Positive 5, because it was negative, send it over, becomes a positive. Next, we have 12x minus 6x, and 12x minus 6x is definitely 6x. Again, 12x minus 6x is 6x. And so we have 6x is equal to 5. Next, we divide both sides of this equation by 6. And so what do we have? Well, we have 6x divided by 6. And we have 5 divided by 6. Again, we have 6x divided by 6 and 5 divided by 6. We cancel this 6 with that 6. So we left with x is equal to 5 over 6. And x is equal to 5 over 6 is our final answer to this linear equation. So x is equal to 6 satisfies this linear equation.